Hello and welcome back. I recently spoke with an Audi enthusiast in an exclusive social media group for Audi fans. He had visited several shops in the area, but instead of resolving any issues, they ended up causing further damage to his car. After scanning the car with our advanced OBD tool, we identified that the issue was an open circuit. Upon visual inspection under the passenger seat, we were surprised to find that the wire had been intentionally cut with pliers. We decided to remove the seat to create more working space. After reconnecting the wires, the error disappeared. Upon checking for any other issues, we promptly informed the owner. He was surprised, but seemed to have suspected it was intentional. Watch his response at the end of this brief video. We have successfully gained his trust.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
If you like to see the next project, please consider subscribing to this channel or consider sharing with your friend that live nearby and are having hard time to find trusted and experienced folks. Thank you.